for, of course, coming up with such a very brave work. So my question is, anyone can answer this, but of course, especially Miss Marian and Kit, I'd love for you to answer this. Do you believe in the concept of like choosing or voting for the lesser evil?
What a wonderful question. I can answer.
Okay, pag-isipan ko siya, maingat ako. Often naman sa elections natin may good option. It's just that hindi sila binuboto. Hindi sila binibigyan ng boses. Or either they don't have the resources kasi hindi sila corrupt. Or very grassroots yung movement nila, or very pro-people sila, and therefore hindi sila binibigyan ng pera ng mayayaman. Often there are good options, hindi lang siya napapansin because of the spectacle and the horse race. In the worst case scenario, wala. Ako pragmatic kasi akong tao eh. I think I would choose the lesser evil if given the choice. Kasi sometimes it's a choice between a person who will kill thousands of people versus someone na corrupt din, or mahirap din choices eh. So, kaya nga, what we're hoping for dito sa Balota at least, it's a hopeful film in the sense na a good candidate actually emerged. And a good candidate can potentially win. So, sana more of that in the next election. Kasi honestly, nakakapagod yung mga politiko natin sa Pilipinas.
Thank you po. Yes. You have another question here? Yes, sir.
Hello, congratulations. It was very wonderful film, and I would like to ask Mario, my name is Mike Herrera from Nueva Ecija. I would like to ask you, ilang shooting days ito? Para talagang na-glamorize ka talaga. Very talaga itong role na ito sa'yo, parang na-stress ka, pero you give a wonderful performance. Congratulations.
Salamat po. Ito po ay ginawa namin, sila po ay 10 shooting days, ako po 6 na araw.
Thank you. Siguro we can have another one? Yes, please. Pakiabot na lang po ng mic.
Congratulations, Marian. You mastered your craft. Galing. I know this is for the director and the scriptwriter. Why did you highlight and patronize the LGBT, or specifically the gays, sa perspective ng politics? So, parang mabubuti ba sila? Lesser evil ba sila?
Actually, it's an inversion. More than highlighting the LGBTs and women, I'm criticizing the macho culture in Philippine politics. Kaya nga from the start, it's all about real man. And it's about our obsession with hyper-masculine power figures that have led this country into the shit that we are in. This entire idea that na we need strong men, we need people na parang paternal figures who will take care of us as if we don't have agency and free will, as if the power doesn't reside in the people. So it's a very, it's a very smart question, because actually that's the conversation na. Kasi ang ko dito, creative consultant ko dito si Moira. And really, if you look at the thread that's underlying Balota, syempre, I mean, of all the explicit, I haven't been really known as a very subtle filmmaker. Pero of the threads that I am not very, hindi super pinupush dito, may underlying talaga ng toxic masculinity, and that sort of us worshipping strong men that I would really like to critique. And so, who are in power in Balota? Sino nagkakarga ng demokrasya sa Balota? It's women, it's LGBT, basically non-straight people. In fact, the only policeman that has a conscience is also an LGBT cop.
Yeah.
Pero I would like to note na hindi luminis yung puso niya dahil nakita niya katotohanan. It's still evil. Because ang pinanggagalingan ng pag-change ng character na yon is loyalty pa rin. Patronage pa rin, loyal siya dun sa teacher. Selfish pa rin. That's why he still has blood in his hands. Pero yun, I really wanted to interrogate our obsession with macho men. But we need strong leaders, strong men who make that situation. Mayor, ikaw yun. And honestly, I've been with, because of the campaign, I've met a lot of these politicians. And when you meet them up close, they're so mediocre. They're so underwhelming. They're such small people. And they're so underwhelming pag nakita mo sila in real life. pero ine-elevate natin sila to their status. Kaya nga, ang argument ko is the power really should be with the people, not with the star.
Yes. Thank you, Director. Ngayon, meron pa po ba tayong susunod na katanungan mula sa ating, yes, please.
Hello po, good afternoon po to everyone, and to the whole cast and crew of Balota, congratulations po. I'm Clara from JB Integrated News Social Media. So I would just like to ask Miss Marian po, everyone did a really wonderful performance in this movie po. But Miss Marian, can I ask, is there a line po in your movie po, Balota, that really stuck with you? And what is the message that you hope that line delivers to the people who watch the movie?
Uulitin ko yung linya ko para sa'yo. Paki-zoom in po ito.
Ayan na,
Paulit-ulit na lang. Putang ina. So siguro yung pinaka-mensahe nun, parang nakikita naman natin kung anong nangyayari mga proseso. Kumbaga ito ang pelikulang Balota ay wake-up call para sa atin na pag pinagsama-sama natin yung mga boto natin, mahalaga ito. Kaya nga sabi ni Teacher Emmy, sa araw na ito, malakas ang boses ko at pinakikinggan ako. So sana ma-realize sa mga tao.
Maraming salamat po. At yung boses na yun, yung boto na yun, gamitin ng tama pag pinagsama-sama. At meron pa tayong susunod na katanungan. Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening po. Jello po. I come from home. Di ba po ang mga artista po, sanay po na nagte-take on ng role. Pero gaano po kayo nakaka-relate doon sa mga roles na ginampanan ninyo? O gaano kayo kalapit doon sa roles na ginampanan ninyo? Kahit sino po maaaring sumagot.
Yun, kahit very quick, oo. Diba? Ayan, sige.
Hello, yes. Ano na ba? Mima, hello, di mo nakakaloka. Kumandidato pa nga. Ang tigas ng ulo, di ba? Pero super connected ako dito kasi alam mo, ako, mga kaibigan ko, mga baklang barangay rin talaga yun. Andito pa nga yung iba, umatak dito. So, alam mo yon, sobrang happy niya kasi talagang na-witness ko yung gantong sistema. Diba? At saka totoo yun, yung mga nagbibigay-bigay ng mga yung mga deadman yung deadman na sa pagbibigay ng pera tuwing election. So yes, sobrang connected ko dito kasi alam mo yun, malala talaga yung yung pagpapapansin ng mga bakla kapag election. Talagang malaki ang ambag namin, correct?
Same.
Diba? Ayun lang.
Yes, you will.
Ako, sobrang nakaka-relate ako sa character ko dito kasi ako in real life talaga, parang mama's boy din na talaga ako eh. Sorry. Ayun, parang pag napunta sa ganong sitwasyon, same lang kami ni Enzo, parang gagawin din yung lahat para makasurvive, ganyan. Kumbaga may plan A and plan B.
Meron pa po ba naisang dagdag? Sorry si Miss Marian, very teacher. Tinatawag yung mga students niya. Kasi yung Miss Donna.
Ayun, ako naman po bilang Anita, hindi naman